What's up guys, I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how my business is doing in May.
How's business doing so far?
As of right now, it's a little interesting. It's like not as busy as I'd like it to be. We're usually pretty booked out during this time. Like we're usually like 1 or 2, sometimes 3 weeks booked out ahead of time. But lately it's like pretty splotchy schedules. Like we even have spots available this week, and we have spots available next week, and probably the week after that it's like fully open. So there's not many and we're also not getting as many inquiries, I guess, as I'm used to getting. Well, yeah, that's how it's going right now.
Why do you think that's happening? Summer or?
Well, a couple of my maintenance clients are going on vacation for the summer, I guess, and so they're we won't be able to service their vehicles since they won't be there and they're not going to be using them. So a couple of them kind of backed off of the maintenance plan for a few months while they're out of town, and then on the other hand, maybe the rest of the people that aren't on our maintenance plan are kind of maybe doing the same thing. I don't necessarily ask. I'm just assuming that that's what's going on, and also. Yeah, I guess people are just going to travel and they're not really staying in this area. I don't know. Maybe as well, maybe COVID has something to do with it, like how in the past 2-3 years with the COVID, or 2 years I guess I should say, with the COVID, people weren't traveling because of that, and now that there's not many restrictions and there's not much news about COVID being bad or whatnot, people are taking advantage of traveling at this time now and getting out of their towns.
When do you think it'll start to pick up again?
I'm not sure. There's no way to tell because usually it's supposed to be picking up right now. It's usually pretty steady for us. But right now it's kind of iffy, so I don't know.
How are you balancing money coming in versus money going out?
Definitely reduce a lot of the spending. So I'm not doing as much spending on the ads as I was before, which may play a part on why we have less inquiries and whatnot. But at the same time, I noticed a lot less inquiries even when I was paying for the ads, or a lot less serious people booking in. So yeah, I took that off, and we're doing the spending on the fuel and products. Can't really lower that down because we just have to travel, and gas prices are still pretty high. But for products, I don't really need to buy any products. I have all the products I need at home and whatnot for the most part, other than there might be a thing here or there that we need for a specific job.
So you mentioned you cut back on the ad spending. How much were you spending on ads?
It would always vary on the week and the month. It could go up to 6,000, sometimes more than that. And right now I've probably lowered it down to and I'd say probably 6,000 for the month. Now I lowered it down to 1,000. But I plan on even lowering down a bit more, at least on Instagram. I'll probably lower it down to 500 for the month. And I was doing Yelp for a little bit, and that was completely waste of money, so it didn't help. And I'm thinking of doing something else. I just don't know yet what yet, or maybe more Instagram. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
So you were doing Yelp and Instagram, so now you're just gonna go just.
I was only doing Yelp for 1 month, and it was garbage, waste of money. Didn't get absolutely any people to book. I got a couple leads, but nothing booked in.
So Instagram's more reliable when it comes to
Instagram was a lot better, but it's not. It's it was doing really good a couple months ago. Now it's not doing as great. Even with the same type of ad posts and the same type of spending, there's a lot less inquiries and a lot less people booking.
So what steps are you going to take next to get more business, or are you just going to write it out?
Right now I'm kind of just writing it out. I might try to make a few new ads, but at the moment probably just write it out. All right, well there you guys have it. That's how business has been going for us for the month of May. Let me know in the comments down below how business has been going for you guys for this month. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.